Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to create your account on iPhone. You will go to this sign as you see and you will click on the application of REDnote. As you see, we click on this application. Then you will go to this sign here of code or country code. You can choose your country here. And then you will add your phone number to log in with your mobile number. And when you will add your phone number, then you can click on login and you will get your code to log in with your phone number. Then as you see here, I have already my account, so I will enter with my account here to show you how to create your account like this. So then you will find it, as you see here in this page, you will find all these videos. You can watch videos and you can interact with this and you can comment here as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.